TNAZ Therapy Guides.
Anxiety Anya, what is your favorite color? My favorite color is anything that pops and make me look even more beautiful. So right now, my favorite color is this electric blue. Why do they call you Anxiety Anya? They call me Anxiety Anya because I'm always using what ifs a lot. I'm always predicting the worst case scenarios and when things goes awry. I'm always making Tracy to feel worried and stuff, especially during like exam times. I'm always making her concerned that she's gonna fail a test so that's kind of why they call me that. What is your pronoun? My pronoun is they or them, but you can call me whatever you feel comfortable. I'm not that picky. Anxiety Anya. Why do you not like the psychotherapist? Are you not part of the good guys? I don't hate her. It's just that she's just not my cup of tea, I mean, I do tolerate her because like Tracy's like really benefiting from her, right? And well, the short answer is that the woman is always warning Tracy about me, about cognitive distortions, and she keeps saying that I'm causing Tracy to have irrational thinking, and especially because I'm always using what ifs a lot and catastrophizing. I think that's pretty rude, so that's kind of why I don't like her. But I understand she's trying to help Tracy. Anxiety Anya, what is the difference between you and GAD-7, the tenant? Well, GAD-7 is the test that the psychotherapist might use to screen if you have generalized anxiety disorder. So the difference between generalized anxiety disorder is that it's a disorder. I'm not a disorder yet. I'm just your typical anxiety that you have when you're taking tests, when you are waiting for a meeting, when you're about to see a new boo, like I'm your basic fight flight response. I am needed for survival. So I know these days anxiety has like bad raps, but there's literally a difference between me and my twin sister GAD-7. She is the bad news. She is like the baddie of the worst kind. Not like baddie like me, but like bad person. Like she causes Tracy like brutal emotional dysregulation. Like she is the kind of tenant that would make you have to see a psychiatrist or a psychotherapist. What kind of character are you? Are you a tenant or are you an internal dialogue like Emma? I am Tracy's internal dialogue. I am the one that triggers her fight and flight response to alert her system of any danger. So I am your natural body's defense for unforeseen circumstances. I prepare your system to get into action to help you pass that exam, for example. But I understand why some people think I'm one of the bad guys, just because they keep overusing me. But I also blame my twin sister GAD-7. Like most people usually have GAD-7, but they think that their anxiety is like basic. They think it's just me. But at this point, when my sister takes over, I'm like literally like paralyzed. Like I don't talk to her because I don't approve about her methods. She's pretty hard to get rid of. So be careful, guys. Yeah. Who is your best friend? I don't really keep best friends. Because like I'm always worried about what if they turn on me, or they steal my man or something. But empathetic Emma is convinced that we're best friends. Poor girl. Dear Anxiety Anya, do you dislike empathetic Emma? No, I don't dislike her. I mean, she can be annoying. She is one of those rainbow and unicorn internal dialogue that is always like compassionate, and well, she's usually those your inner talk that you all like just ignore. She's underused, which is a shame because she is an amazing person. She's always reminding Tracy to be kinder to herself and to not think through a fear based lens. But that is the problem, though. Like, my job is to prepare Tracy for the worst case scenario, right? For when there's a fearful situation. So, we often clash a lot because we just have different methods for protecting our Tracy. Yeah, like she thinks Tracy should be more hopeful. I think Tracy should be more cognizant of the future and to prepare for, who knows, the worst that can happen. So I guess like what makes us like get along or puts us in common is that we do have Tracy's best interest in mind, but the tenants don't, right? They're just selfish and they want to destroy the whole system and take over. So hope that answers your question.
A smile a day keep the psycho the therapist away.